Hi, I'm Roy from Elementor, and today we're taking a first look at how Angie is starting to become part of atomic workflows in the editor, including the ability to generate complete style collections from a single prompt. Angie makes it easier to build professional assets with agentic AI, designed to save you time and even unlock website experiences that simply weren't possible before. Angie is easily accessible from the editor top bar and can handle the repetitive setup work for you, so you don't have to. Things like creating variables, setting up extensive classes with style collections, or building advanced forms. I'm going to show you how, and we'll also review the new atomic form elements and workflow capabilities that help you build more advanced business experiences directly inside Elementor. So let's dive in. Version 4 introduces a new approach to building websites in Elementor, one that's based around reusable classes, variables, components, and scalable styling systems. Now Angie is becoming part of that workflow too. But what's really important here is that Angie isn't generating disconnected designs or static outputs. Everything it creates becomes part of your actual atomic system, meaning your variables, classes, and layouts remain fully editable, reusable, and maintainable across your entire site. So you're in full control of structure, styling, and governance. Let's see what that looks like in practice. In this example, I'm working on a wellness retreat website. But before I even start building pages, I want to establish the foundations of my design system. Typography, colors, button styles, card layouts, all the things that help maintain consistency as my project grows. Crucial for scalable and reusable work, but it does take time to set up. Now Angie does the setup for me. I'll open up Angie directly from the top bar. And the first thing I'll do is provide context for my site. The more context I give, the better the output is. This is saved and applied across everything Angie does on this site. I saved an old website mockup that our studio created. I'll attach it and just ask Angie to create reusable color and font variables, as well as classes for buttons, headings, paragraphs, form inputs, and form fields, based on the attached image. And here we go. Instead of manually setting up every usable token and style collection one by one, Angie generates a structured starting point for the entire design system based on my reference. That potentially saved me hours of work. We'll review it in a sec, but I want to show you another example. This time I'll be very specific with my instructions. I'll paste in a prompt that tells Angie exactly what to build. The name, background color, border, outline, padding, all of it. Now, let's see how they look. Heading classes with all the styles applied, including variables for fonts and colors. Another one here, paragraph classes. Button classes. And the card class. And because these are all reusable atomic classes and variables, any future changes stay connected across the site. Think how much time that just saved me. That's the power of combining Angie with atomic workflows. Now, as design systems grow larger, managing all these reusable styles efficiently becomes incredibly important. That's why we introduced a unified design system manager. Previously, variables and classes were managed separately, but now they both live inside a centralized panel directly accessible from the editor top bar. Here are all my variables. Fonts, colors, and size variables would also go here. And my classes, typography classes, buttons, cards, containers. This creates a much more natural workflow, especially when working with Angie, because now Angie can help generate your reusable system, and immediately afterwards, you can continue refining, organizing, duplicating, or adjusting everything from the same place. It keeps your workflow fast, structured, and scalable. And if you're working across multiple websites or projects, you can now export and import your entire design system collection of variables and classes, meaning your whole design system can travel with you between projects. Just click the three dots at the top of the design system panel, select export, and you'll get a zip file that you can later import into your next site from the same panel. So you create your design system once and reuse it anywhere, especially powerful for agencies managing multiple brands or maintaining consistency across many projects. And speaking of scale, Elementor now supports up to 1,000 classes per site. Let's move on to atomic forms, which are now more flexible and composable than ever. Angie can help accelerate form creation too. Instead of manually adding every field one by one, you can generate structured forms directly from prompts. Let's build a retreat booking form. And just like that, Angie creates the entire structure directly inside the editor and fully matches my design system, ready to ship. But again, it's still fully editable atomic content. You stay in control of every field. You can still customize every field, every style property, adjust layouts, and continue refining the experience exactly how you want. The atomic system allows you to customize and control every single element in your form and nest anything inside of it, meaning you can build really complex and impressive layouts. And now we introduced even more form elements that help you take forms a step further. Let's go through them. First, select dropdowns. Perfect for plant selection, categories, locations, departments, or guided flows. Next, radio buttons for cleaner single-choice experiences, great for subscriptions, services, selection, or qualification flows. There are also new date and time pickers for booking systems, consultation, reservations, and scheduling workflows. And finally, file upload, which opens the door to onboarding flows, applications, support requests, creative submissions, and so much more. So that's our first look at Angie inside the Atomic Editor, along with the latest evolution of atomic forms. From generating reusable design systems with AI, to managing those systems, importing and exporting them across projects, and building more advanced forms faster than ever before. To access these new features, update to the latest Elementor version, and make sure you have the Atomic Editor activated. You can check by going to the WordPress dashboard, Elementor, Editor, Settings, Atomic Editor, and click Activate. So, try out these new workflows, explore the new capabilities, and let us know what you think in the comments below. I'm Roy from Elementor, and I can't wait to see what you create next.